Hello and welcome to another video. We're going to be adding eyes to this beauty right here. She's all finished other than that, so we'll just be giving her her eyes. And here are the items that you'll need. I don't know if you can see that very well. Those are flat back rhinestones. That's a fake nail and an X-Acto knife, wire cutters, foam tape, double-sided, sticky on both sides. You sometimes will need these, not always, cuticle cutters. And then we have this Art Deco nail polish. It's one with a longer brush on it to do the artistic stuff better. And just use that polish like you would an eyeliner. And cutting off the excess of the nail, and then you're going to cut that in half to use for each side of the face for the eye. And you'll be removing the covering from the back. Alright, on the center of these there's a magnet, so I just cut off a little corner there so that it'll fit in the space I need it to fit in. And then just a little bit of hot glue, and then we'll be putting the flat back rhinestone on there, and then doing the same with the other. Here I'm just going to straighten that curve a little bit so it'll stick to the foam tape a little bit better. They're a little too curved, as you can see on the first one there, and then the one that I already flattened is quite a bit more straight, and it'll stick to the tape a little bit better. After you have your 4 pieces of foam tape ready to go, you're just going to put those above and below the eye socket. I'm sorry, I got my finger a little bit in the way here, and just placing the tape and pressing it down so that it'll stick to the face. Here we're just removing that layer that protects the stickiness of the foam tape, and we're going to be adding the eyes in just a moment here. I found that if I use my pliers to push down the eye socket, or the eye from the back into the socket onto the foam tape, that it actually sticks quite a bit better than me just trying to use my fingers, especially when I have my nails long like they are right now. It's more difficult to push in on those, so I use my wire cutters for that. She looks a little cross-eyed, so she needs an adjustment, and that's pretty easy to do. Sometimes it just requires pushing down harder in one area, and sometimes you actually have to remove it and replace it, but that seemed to work, I think, that time. And you can just kind of maneuver it a little bit until it looks like they're looking the same direction, and there we go. I love how these turn out. Thank you so much for watching the video. There's my tree that I have, and there she is on there. And I hope you enjoyed this video, that you might like, comment, and subscribe, and share these videos with someone that you believe would enjoy them as well. I'm trying to grow my channel and make this a business, and your help would be really appreciated. Thank you so much again for watching, and God bless you. Have a good day.